Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today on RoboBrief, Mitsubishi Electric brings smart factory automation to IMTS. RealMan Robotics pushes physical AI into real-world work, and surgical robots move deeper into the operating room. First up, Mitsubishi Electric is using IMTS in Chicago to show how factory automation is getting more practical. Its booth centers on advanced CNC control, robotics LoadMate Plus for machine tending, and ARIA, the automated robotic intelligent assistant. The pitch is simple: connect robots, controls, and production data so manufacturers can improve quality, reduce downtime, and make automation easier to deploy on real factory floors. Next, RealMan Robotics is highlighting what it calls physical AI at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference. The company is showing robotic arms designed to adapt to real tasks instead of staying trapped in polished demos. For factories and labs, that means machines that can learn from the environment, handle more varied work, and collaborate more naturally with people. And finally, medical robotics is moving from precision tools toward full assistant roles. Surgical robots are already helping with super micro surgery, including work on vessels and tissues less than a millimetre wide. Researchers are also developing humanoid assistants for operating rooms where robots could hold instruments, retract tissue, and free clinicians to focus on critical decisions. That's all for today's RoboBrief. For more robotics news, visit robobrief.tech and subscribe to the channel.